So the next topic is cell wall. Cell wall is present in the plant cell. Present in the plant cell. And absent in animal cell. So cell wall is present in plant cell and it is absent in the animal cell. So above the cell membrane, cell wall is present. Above the cell membrane, cell wall is present. In which cell? Plant cell. If you see like this is our cell membrane. So think this is our cell membrane. This is our cell. This is our cell membrane. This is cell membrane. So it is covered by a wall-like structure. This is called a cell wall. Okay. So cell membrane is covered by a cell wall in plant cell, and this is cell wall is absent in the animal cells. Now, why cell wall is present in plant cell and why it is absent in the animal cell? Because several reactions occurs inside the plant cell, and most of the food is stored. Cell organelles will exert pressure on the plasma membrane or cell membrane. So the membrane may break. So to give support to the cell membrane, the cell wall is present in the plants. Okay, understood? So to protect cell membrane, cell wall is present. Means because internally there is so much pressure inside the plant cell. That pressure is exerted on the membrane. Then what happens? The membrane will break and the cell will die. That's why the membrane is being protected by the cell wall. So you have to remember that cell wall exerts internal pressure. Cell wall exerts internal pressure to neutralize external pressure. External pressure coming from the inside of the cell. Okay, clear? So, see, cell wall exerts internal pressure. So, see, this is our cell wall, this is our cell membrane. Now, you have different cell organelles inside your cell. So, these will exert pressure. These organelles will exert pressure on the cell membrane. So, the cell membrane may break and cell will die. So, how does the pressure is neutralized? The cell wall will apply opposite pressure on the membrane. Okay, the cell wall will apply the pressure. So this pressure and this pressure will be neutralized. So internally pressure is coming. Outside cell wall is also exerting the pressure. The pressure is being neutralized. That's why cell wall exerts internal pressure to neutralize the external pressure coming from inside of the cell. Cell wall is very tough. Cell wall is tough. Tough means it is very hard. Cell wall is tough. Cell wall is tough and allows and has pores on it. Okay, cell wall is tough. Cell wall is hard, but it has pores on it because something the cell want, any material it want. the cell wall should allow it into the cell. If cell wall is tough and does not have pores, what will happen? Any substance will not enter into the cell, and any substance from inside the cell cannot come out. So if oxygen is there, oxygen will reach the cell. If cell wall does not have pores, it will not enter into the cell and the cell may die. So cell wall, though it is hard, it has some pores on it, or you can tell it has some receptors on it. So it has some pores, or you can call it as receptors. It has some receptors on it which detect the substance and allow it inside the cell. So this is about cell wall. Okay, thank you.